Davide, digital thread is a hot topic here this week.
It is.
What do you mean by a digital thread?
Well, digital threads are traceable, digitalized, and linked sequences of business workflow. Think of them as a subway map. You can go from A to B the fastest way possible. But hey, let me show you an example. What we have here is the list of the digital threads for a specific industry, the aerospace industry. And we have all the different business workflows or workflows processes that we can cover for that specific industry. We have a digital thread approach that is always scalable. So a customer can decide to implement all of them or even starting smaller, focusing on their real needs, implementing one digital thread, and then in the future, step by step, they can implement all the others. But let's focus on the smart manufacturing digital thread that is the focus here at EMO 2025 for us. Here, for the jet engine oil pump example that we have at EMO 2025, for that use case, we focus on three specific steps of this digital thread. Production process development, that is the one that allows our customer to design, test, and validate their production processes. The second one is the manufacturing step, the production and quality execution. Here is where all the capabilities around the execution of the process comes to reality. And then the last one that has been taken into consideration has been the closed loop operation insight. These steps offer different capabilities, gathering the data from the machines, from the humans, putting everything together, and boosted by AI, we can make a sense out of the tons of data that we collect every single day. Let's see an example, the production process development. This step here offers 10 different solutions, like planning, preparation, additive manufacturing engineering, programming and verification. Again, following the scalable approach, for this oil pump use case, we focus only on 4 different solutions, the 4 solutions that really matters for our customer. Let me show you them. So we have the oil pump scenario, and you see here, highlighted in white, the 4 solutions that have been chosen by Siemens together with the customer to achieve several goals for the new oil pump version that they have implemented. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see the 3 steps that have been selected at the very beginning, 1, 2, and 3, and for each step, the solution that have been implemented. And by the way, behind each solution, of course, we have software and hardware, everything that is part of our Siemens Xcelerator offer. Thanks to this approach and the implementation of this digital thread and these steps, the customer has achieved several goals. Just to mention some of them, a reduction in the weight of the entire engine. It's now 35% lighter compared to the previous version. Ensure safety, and since it's lighter, of course, the performance are enhanced as well as the sustainability has been improved. So, to summarize, we can say that digital threads, together with Siemens Xcelerator, helps our customer in becoming a real digital enterprise. And digital enterprise is not anymore a future thing, but this is a present-day reality.